Are traditional banks finally facing an existential threat? For years, digital-only banks, or neobanks, have been the cool new kids on the block, known for slick apps, instant notifications, and that famous Coral card. They racked up millions of customers, but the one thing they often lacked was the most fundamental measure of a business's health: profit. Well, that narrative just dramatically shifted. Monzo, one of the UK's most prominent digital challengers, has officially announced its first full year of profitability. This isn't just a win for a single company, it's a monumental moment for the entire future of finance, and it has major implications for you, the customer. Let's break down what this profitability milestone actually means and why it matters. First, it validates the digital banking business model. Monzo's success proves that a completely app-based bank can be sustainable at scale. They managed to turn things around by diversifying their income. Gone are the days when they relied almost purely on interchange fees, that small cut they take from card transactions. Now, a huge chunk of their revenue comes from two key areas: lending and subscriptions. By offering products like loans, overdrafts, and their popular Flex Buy Now Pay Later feature, and by getting more customers to sign up for paid accounts like Monzo Plus and Premium, they've created stable, recurring revenue streams. Second, it means more money for innovation and expansion. Historically, Monzo was focused on survival. Now that they're consistently in the black, they have the capital to invest heavily in new products. We're already seeing this with new offerings like their pension product and plans for European expansion, starting with an office in Dublin. For existing customers, this likely translates to a better, more feature-rich product as they seek to become a full-service financial hub, not just a spending card. Third, it puts intense pressure on competitors, both old and new. For the other neobanks, Monzo's achievement sets a clear bar. If Monzo can do it, why can't they? It's a race to prove financial maturity. And for the traditional high street banks, this is a clear signal that the disruption isn't just a fad, the digital revolution is permanent and financially viable. Expect the established players to accelerate their own digital offerings and streamline their services to try and keep up. The competition benefits you, the consumer, through better interest rates and features. Finally, Monzo's profitability clears the runway for a potential IPO, an initial public offering. While they've said an IPO isn't their immediate focus, it's the logical next step. A public listing would be a huge vote of confidence for the entire UK fintech sector. Monzo's journey from burning cash to making a profit marks a coming of age. It shifts the conversation from "are they just a risky startup?" to "are they the future of banking?" And the answer to that second question is looking more and more like a resounding yes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.